And play some music.
Take them down. Alright, hang on.
That belly is so big.
I know. I'm going to labor tomorrow. Or tonight. Here we go. Got some Flo Rida.
Squats. That is not helping you.
You don't think?
We gotta, like, spread out your boots with the foot.
It like flopped. I could feel it going.
Are you pushing?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what if your water broke and we had this on camera right now?
That would be really cool to have my water breaking on camera. Don't you think? Yeah. I don't think it's gonna break. Like, I'm cursed.
This is true.
You hit the flow!
No.
Hit the flow with your tummy. Get it. Get it down that far. Just try. I bet you can.
I bet she can't.
Try it. Putting it like this. Yeah.
If not, you're gonna piss your pants.
Oh. We've got to do like a workout. Working out makes you...
I have a Pilates video. You wanna do it?
Pilates is not intense.
You can do the simplest moves.
Maybe if you do leg lifts. Opening and closing. Opening and closing.
Yeah. Can you lay on your side? We'll prop you up with a pillow. No, get on your knees. Get on all fours. You gotta move up, crawl up
do
forward.
one leg and then the other.
Like the doggy.
Like that?
Yep, and then open like this, and then kick. And then open.
Yeah, leave that and kick back. Maybe you can't
Yep.
let your knee hit the ground. Don't let your knee touch the ground. Oh man, I can feel this like that.
In your crotch?
Yeah, like that muscle. Ooh, it hurts. Go fast. Look at Look at that big thing hanging. Go back and forth and see if it sways. It doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Oh my gosh, it's huge.
I haven't worked out in months. I have not worked out in like 6 months. This is gonna like hurt, is it? Alex wants to kiss his stomach.
The stomach.